Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we are looking at the Homepod second generation in midnight. Let's do it. So let's just flip this over. And as you can see, we've got two handy pull tabs. So there's one. There's two. Now we're going to flip it back over. Okay, now we're going to do the reveal. And there we go. Let's just have a quick look at it. It looks similar to the old one, but maybe a hint of blue. That's why it's calling it midnight. But let's just pull this out. Going to put that to one side for a moment. And immediately what I can see is, unlike previous generations, the cable is already deattached. Unlike the last one where it was permanently attached, with this one you can remove it if needed, like if you're putting it elsewhere, transporting it, whatever. So let's see what else we get in the box. And in this section is probably where we're going to get our cable. So let's just pull that out. And it's colour matched to the HomePod itself. There we go. And on the bottom we've got two stickers, so let's just peel those off. There's one. And there's the second one. And immediately what I can see is very similar to the HomePod Mini, is that the top of the base here is more recessed into the mesh, and even when turned off, just like the HomePod Mini, you can see the volume indicators all the time. So I'm just going to plug this in now and we can set it up. As always, we get the white indicator to let me know that it's connected to power and it's finding my iPhone. And I would advise that you might want to use headphones for this, but because me using the Siri phrase may or may not activate your devices. And immediately, as you can see, when you bring your phone closer, it brings up an indicator. Do I want to set up? Yes, I do. And then, as always, you scan the top of your HomePod in this case. Let's just do that. It's now setting up. Alright, where are we? Right, let's just choose which room we're in. You hit continue, and then as always, terms and conditions. Hit agree. Now it's asking if I want to transfer the settings, so sure, why not? Use as Apple TV speaker. Now I do have an Apple TV 4K in the room, but for now we're just going to say not now. Do I want Siri on HomePod? Yes, I do. Recognize my voice. Do I want to use personal requests? Yes. And now, as you can see, it's setting up. And that's it, we're done. So we now hit done on your mobile phone. And we are finished. And there we go. It looks like we are now set up and good to go. So I am gonna test it. So this is the point where you may want to hide your devices. Hey Siri, what's the weather like today?
Looks like it will be partly cloudy today. Daytime temperatures will hover around 9 degrees, with overnight lows around -1 degree.
Okay, let's try another one. Hey Siri, turn off the kitchen light.
One moment. It looks like you haven't set up any HomeKit accessories. You can connect smart devices, like lights, locks, and thermostats in the Home app.
Okay, so I'm going to have to set that up in the Home app itself, which is fine. But yeah, that is now set up and seems like it's good to go, apart from me obviously setting up my lighting, etc. again. But yeah, this is the midnight version. It also comes in white, which in all honesty I think I would have preferred, but I did a voting poll on the community tab, and most people wanted me to look at the new midnight version, so that's exactly what I've done. So I've done it for you guys. It has most of the new features like what the HomePod Mini had as well, and like with this one, if you connect it as a stereo pair when you've got two, and connect it to your Apple TV, you can actually use Dolby Atmos surround sound. It has spatial audio, and with this one it's also got a temperature sensor as well, and coincidentally with the software update on the HomePod Minis, that's now been activated as well. So if you've got a HomePod Mini and you just want it for the new sensors and whatever, unless you want potentially a bigger HomePod or better sound, we'll see how the sound is in future videos, I would actually stick to your HomePod Mini and see if there's going to be any updates for that. But for now, thank you for watching this unboxing and very quick setup of the new HomePod 2nd generation, and I hope to see you in future videos. Cheers for watching.